Hello, we're here at Shoe Healer in Doncaster and we have a pair of ladies' Prada shoes. The lady brought these in and said, is there anything we can do? There was a problem with the elastic here round where this elastic pulls here, but it was all ripping inside there. So like there, look, we've put a piece of leather on the inside, stitched it up. We'll trim all that back so that you can't see it, and then we've got to thread the elastic in there. There's nowhere to fasten it to, so we're going to thread the elastic all the way down this strap right to the back here and stitch it there so that you can't see anything on the outside. On the inside here, look, zoom in, there's no stitching holding the elastic on the outside, so we've taken the lining off on the inside and we've stitched it through the lining on the inside so that you can't see it on the outside, and it has plenty of giving it. So that will go in there, that will be threaded all the way up there, and then that will fasten over there. Everything will be neat and the lady will be able to wear them again. However, shouldn't have stuck it on, it's just taking too long. It was a little bit of a technical job and I sometimes like those, but there'll be no profit in this job when we've done them. So, here we go again. You've got to love your Pradas, haven't you? Come on. There's a needle. The needle is there.
Gently.
And then
Gently.
pull that up there. And then if you come and pull on this again, we got a good system going last time. You just put a little bit of pressure on there. Go on, a bit more. Hold it there, that's it, go on again. And again. And again. And again. And again.
I'm studying with my breath held. It's there, it's coming.
Looks like that a sec. Just there, just there.
I can see it.
Just there, come on, you need to just
Gently.
move some of this up even. Oh, yes! A lovely model will set the tension. She'll put her foot in this just to see that it's going to fit right. Then we'll never do another one. Can you fix Pradas? Nope. They're unfixable. So now we've got all that together there. That will have some giving it there. Lovely. It's stitched on the inside of there. It's got a patch on there. All that elastic will get glued and then put into place there.